Somebody stole my tomato plant out of my compost pile. In one video, a couple of last videos, I had said that I was going to transplant it into a bucket. That's all that's left. I found this laying on the ground. Somebody pulled it up by the roots and then or broke that off or something. I looked all around. I looked in the compost. I couldn't find it anywhere. I thought maybe I had done it and lost my mind and was going senile or something. But no, I searched around everywhere and I don't find it. Little Puff. Did you take my tomato plant? No? Look me in the eyes and tell me. Did you take my tomato plant? You're not going to answer? Okay. This is the bucket that I was going to plant that tomato in. It was here, but now it's gone. It's gone. I was left with no choice. I had to add it to my tiny indoor garden.